New at 5:30, the Target 12 investigators are looking into Rhode Island's gun laws following a recent Supreme Court decision.
The Attorney General's office says the state's current concealed weapons law does not need to change, despite the nation's high court striking down a New York law limiting guns in public.
Target 12 investigator Tolly Taylor joins us now with those details.
The Supreme Court ruled 6 states and the District of Columbia have gun licensing laws that are unconstitutional. But Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Neronha says because Rhode Island is not one of those 6 states, it does not have to change its licensing program. In June, a 6-3 U.S. Supreme Court decision overturned a New York law which put limits on carrying guns outside the home. The case was especially focused on concealed carry licensing laws. And today, Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Neronha issued his own guidance based on the decision.
Ultimately, we determined that because of the dual nature of our licensing scheme, which appears to be unique, and the holding of the Supreme Court itself, that there's nothing in Rhode Island that needs to change.
Neronha says the court's decision states if the only way for people to get a concealed carry license is to show need, then your state has a problem. But he says that's not the case in Rhode Island.
Rhode Island has a licensing scheme where you don't have to show need if you get a license from your municipal authority, typically your police chief.
The other way to get a concealed carry permit in Rhode Island is to apply to the Attorney General's office, in which case you have to show why you need the permit. The difference is the AG permit allows someone to carry a pistol out in the open as opposed to concealed.
In my view, that's consistent with the Supreme Court's decision. The Supreme Court actually put us in the category of 43 states that they did not observe to be problematic.
Target 12 obtained the AG office's data for concealed carry permit applications. It shows there were 49 applications in June, the highest number so far this year. The AG's office says since January 2019, it has processed more than 1,700 pistol permit applications, and 186 were denied. Do you anticipate a legal challenge to your guidance?
I'm not certain of that. You know, look, I know that this is a highly charged area, and no matter what I say or how I explain it, there are some who will take issue with it.
Frank Sicocchio, president of the Rhode Island National Rifle Association, tells Target 12, quote, "I believe the Attorney General is 100% wrong on this, and there are multiple cases pending before the state Supreme Court." Neronha also shared new guidance with police departments across the state, and you can read more about that on WPRI.com. With the Target 12 investigators, I'm Tolly Taylor, 12 News.